What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna make a new wallet that isn't part of our product line yet. It kind of used to be, but it's gonna have some changes. It's gonna be a notebook wallet. It's gonna fit a 5.5 by 3.5 inch memo book. They sell blank memo books at Tandy, or it'll also fit the Field Notes brand memo books. But I also wanted to add a little feature on the side to hold a pen. And then something that's a little bit different from our last notebook wallet will be a horizontal orientation card holders. It'll fit a few more cards in it. And yeah, I think it's gonna turn out pretty nice. So I'm gonna use a 3 to 4 ounce vegetable tan skirting leather for the whole project. And I'm gonna stitch it up on the Tandy Stitch Master using a size 18 needle, 92 weight bonded nylon thread, and hopefully that covers most of the little technical questions that I always get. So I drew my pattern out on some cardstock first, and I think we got it all figured out, ready to roll. So let's start cutting into the leather. All right, I'm gonna let the edge paint dry for a little bit, but we're done, that's it. We used to have a wallet kind of like this actually. It was the number 53 and it came with a field notes memo book, but I wanted to make a few changes, so I added that little pen holder and changed the orientation of the card slots, and it's just turned out to be a really beautiful piece, and I think it's gonna be a good addition to our product line. Huge thanks to Tandy for providing us with so many of the tools and supplies that we use on a regular basis, including that Stitch Master that I used to sew up this wallet. It just handled it beautifully. That's exactly what that machine was designed for projects like this. And you guys know the best way to support us is by clicking on that first link down below. That's an affiliate link to Tandy's homepage. So anything you purchase after clicking on that link, we'll get a little kickback commission, and it really helps us out a lot. But you know, only if you want to. In the end, we just want to help people get into the craft. Tandy really is a great place to get started. That's where I started. Those were the first tools that I bought, and I'm still using everything that I bought on that first day 6 years ago. So that's it. If you're looking for a good time, go leave something down in the comments. You won't regret it. I know that for sure. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the next one already. I love doing these. Let's keep this ball rolling. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.